Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to hide all of your photos on Facebook at once, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your menu section by tapping on these three lines in the top right corner, and then tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down a little bit until you get the option of profile and tagging. Just simply tap at profile and tagging. Here you can see the second option. You can see a post on your profile. Just simply set that visibility to only me. If you want to hide it from everyone, if you want to set like show it to your friends or specific friends or friends accept, if you want to hide some friends, just simply tap at friends accept and select those friends to whom you don't want to show, and it will show to all of other friends except those friends. Just simply tap it only me. If you want to hide it from everyone, just it will make sure like your medias like photos and stories are not visible to like anyone. Only you will be able to see what you have posted on your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily like hide all of your posts on Facebook at once. So if you want to like allow other people to share your post to their stories, just here you can see the third option. This is with that, I think that I should tell it to you. Just simply toggle off this option. This will make sure that no one will be able to share your story. If you toggle out this option, just it will make sure everyone is able to share your story. So I hope it's helped too, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think this video helped you, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen.